Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the current growing escalation between India and Pakistan. Firstly, being the citizen of Pakistan, I would call this late night attack a very cowardly attack in first and above all attacking the civilians shows what kind of a country India is. Our armed forces are enough to deal with such kind of escalation, but kept they should have kept the war between the militaries instead of targeting civilians. First of all, I would like to address a tweet that was made by Israel that they stand with India. And the answer to that tweet, being a Pakistani and a civilian of Pakistani, a patriotic Pakistani, do you think we give a damn about what you say and who you support? We as Pakistanis don't even recognize you as a state. So do you really think that we will give a damn you supporting India? Your drones were used to target the population of Pakistan and civilians of Pakistan. So yeah, that shows how kind of a cowardly state you are, the way you have treated Palestinians, and that same goes for India as well. 30 plus civilians have lost their lives and 57 plus casualties, and the numbers keep increasing. The point is my deepest condolences to the families, and they should know that will of Pakistan stand by them. And the most important thing is that people of Pakistan stand by their armed forces. There's something that I have always been thinking ever since all the political chaos in Pakistan happened. No doubt should, we should always, being a Pakistani, have very strong political opinions. But why did India have the audacity to attack Pakistan? And that was because what happened politically always have effect on the military of Pakistan. And India was seeing, and they were very happy about it, that how the people of Pakistan were against the armed forces of Pakistan because of what happened between Imran Khan or PTI and PMLN. And at that time, you guys were openly accusing your armed forces and blaming them. They were blame games and abusing. And I can't even say worse things the way you guys treated our Shuhada. That's what gave India a chance to take such an action. Because I would say that now you all know what happens to a country that is very weak military wise, and even a small military distrust can lead to such situations. But our armed forces have never ever taken such things so granted that they misstep their duties toward Pakistan. What would have happened if they would have had grudge against their own people for a momentarily political lapse? That was such hats off to the armed forces of Pakistan for timely intervention and timely giving a response to our enemies. Till now, our airspace is closed and we are still waiting to see how the situation escalates. But India should know what kind of a country Pakistan is, why we cannot be defeated. Why do Muslims always succeed when they are doing jihad? Shahadat is a starting period of our new life. We do not fear to be dead. When we are kids, till the time by the time we grew up, we pray that we die by shahad. And do you really think fighting with a nation who believes that the life basically starts after death, you can defeat them? I am not going to discuss what happened in past, but you should know that this 25 crore population will stand by their armed forces on their country borders and they will fight you. We would rather die a death of shahadat than be afraid from enemy as coward like you. So I have a very important message to the youth of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan that please be very cautious what you share on social media these days. Be very cautious that do not. upload any images, any videos, the movement of Pakistan armed forces, because India is monitoring that, and they are twice as size of us. They have better military equipment, armed forces, but they don't have the Jazba of Pakistan. They cannot have the ideology what a Muslim ideology is. So please be very careful and stand with your armed forces. Thank you.